Find or read reviews that people are talking about ROWT Tablet, 10-inch, Android 14, Octa-Core, 10GB RAM, 64GB ROM, 1TB expandable. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Octa-Core processor and versatile connectivity. ROWT Android tablet enjoy lag-free performance with a Octa-Core CPU, paired with dual-band Wi-Fi, 2.4/5 GHz, and Bluetooth 5.4 for fast data transfers. Expandable storage, dual cameras, dual speakers, and USB-C port supports OTG functionality for connecting external devices, make it versatile for work, study, or entertainment. Android 14 and enhanced security. The Android 14 tablet offers enhanced privacy controls. Security features include facial recognition unlock, app permission manager, and encrypted folder protection. Our Android tablet access to a large of apps on Play Store. Pre-installed apps like YouTube and Gmail integrate seamlessly for everyday use. Widevine L1 Support. Enjoy premium content in stunning clarity with Widevine L1 certification, enabling 1080p HD streaming on popular platforms like HBO, Disney+, Hulu. Whether watching The Last of Us on HBO or The Mandalorian on Disney+, this tablet ensures secure, high-quality playback. Intelligent memory management. This 10.1-inch tablet features innovative RAM optimization technology with 3GB physical RAM plus 7GB virtual expansion, delivering 10GB total memory capacity. The 64GB internal storage provides ample space for apps and media, while TF card support expands storage up to 1TB, perfect for storing movies, games, and documents. Immersive visual experience. Experience crisp visuals on the 10.1-inch HD display with 1280x800 resolution and 16:10 aspect ratio. The LCD screen delivers vibrant colors with 300 nits brightness. Featuring IPS wide viewing angle technology, the display maintains clarity even at 178-degree angles. Anti-glare technology reduces reflections, enhancing visibility in bright environments, perfect for family sharing or professional presentations. All-day 5000 mAh battery. Stay productive and entertained for up to 6 to 8 hours on a single charge, thanks to the high-capacity 5000 mAh battery. The Type-C, 5V/2 amp port enables recharges, perfect for on-the-go use. Advanced power management adjusts usage patterns to extend standby time, ensuring reliability during travel or extended work sessions. Dual cameras and dual stereo speakers. Capture stunning photos and crystal clear video calls with the 8-megapixel rear camera and 5-megapixel front shooter. The dual stereo speakers deliver immersive sound with enhanced bass and clear vocals, perfect for movies, music, or video conferencing. Enjoy balanced audio across all frequencies, whether gaming, streaming, or sharing content. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.